Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video guys is mag-unbox na naman tayo. So, I have a package arrived. So, kani-kanina lang. Ito siya. And, yan, i-unbox natin para meron naman tayong buksan. So, this is a home essential. So, ito siya guys. White bed sheet. Ano ako ba yun? Ano ako sa bed sheet? Ay, ano lang ako sa mga bed sheet. So, yan siya. Wow, I like it. Flat sheet. No, it's not flat sheet. There's a garter also. So this is purely white. Yan siya guys. Yan. Flat sheet. I mean bed sheet. And then the other one is this cute fiber blanket. So siya guys. Very good. I like it. Wow, ang ganda ng tela guys. So, this is what I got. I have this fiber blanket and then the white bed sheet. Yun lang guys. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.